Welcome back, road trippers. I'm Rhett, joined here in the studio by Leela, and you are riding with Real Roads TV.
Hi, everyone. We have a gorgeous stretch of pavement for you today, cruising along Arkansas Highway 107.
That's right. We're starting our journey at the intersection of Highway 36, just south of Enola, and heading north toward Quitman. Let's get things rolling with Backwards and Still Standing by the Open Road Collective.
There's a name on a sign you could read both ways, like it never quite shows how it ought to stay. Fields don't talk, but they've seen enough. The folks pass through and call it luck. Ain't no gold in the dirt out here, just a line in the road. Just rolls right through and comes again. They rise before the light turns gold, drive away just to pay what's owed, leave behind what don't make a sound. Miles of quiet, flat and brown, same set of halls, same Friday lights, same last names in the stands at night. Some move on, some never will, some just circle like they always feel. It's a place that don't beg to be known, don't shine, don't break, just holds its own. Somewhere between leaving and staying still, out where the sky don't always sit still. Yeah, the map might say it's passing through, but it leaves a mark if it gets to you. Turn it around, read it slow, it might say more than you wanna know. Storms don't knock, they just arrive. Cut a line where the fields divide, and the sirens sing, but not too long, like they learned how to not be wrong. You get used to that kind of sky, half a warning, half a lie. Still you stand where the roots run deep, even when the air won't sleep. In the quiet and the undone, and the road goes on like it always has, past the fields and the faded grass. But if you slow down, you might see it's been holding on to you quietly. It's a place that don't beg to be known, don't shine, don't break, just hold its own. Somewhere between leaving and staying still, out where the sky don't always sit still. Yeah, the map might say it's passing through, but it leaves a mark if it gets to you. Turn it around, read it slow, it might say more than you wanna know.
was Where the Road Doesn't Ask by the Open Road Collective.
We are deep into the countryside now, enjoying those long stretches of open road and bright blue skies.
It's the perfect vibe for some back road exploring. Let's keep the music moving with Between Names on the Map.
You just heard Between Names on the Map. We're settling into a great rhythm as we continue our trek north toward the Cleburne County line.
There is nothing quite like a peaceful drive to clear the mind. If you're enjoying these views as much as we are, do us a huge favor. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss a trip.
It really helps us grow the community. To play us through this next stretch, here is Past the Last Turnoff.
That was past the last turnoff, fading out in the rear view.
We're going to pull over for a very quick word from our sponsors. But don't go anywhere. We'll be right back with more music and more miles.
Welcome back to the passenger seat as we continue our journey north on 107.
We're entering the final leg of our route today. Let's ride out these last few miles with The Town the Tracks Forgot by the Open Road Collective.
They built a college on a windy ridge above the cedar and the stone. Said truth and virtue would outlive the years in a town not many people know. Young men in black coats, girls in white lace, Sunday bells across the hills, dreams stacked higher than the water towers, back before the silence filled. Now the tracks run toward the eastern hills and the future road on by. Still the porch lights burn in Quitman town underneath these Arkansas skies. Some places rise like a thunderstorm, some just fade slow and soft. But you can still hear the ghosts sing low in the town the tracks forgot. They swore the springs would bring the people in like the big resorts up north, but the real men drew a different line, and the whole world shifted course. Storefront glass and courthouse steps, old brick baking in July. Folks still wait from the side of the road like the years never passed them by. Took a block in 1945, another one in 76. Storm winds tore through the college halls, but the town still never quit. There's a preacher's voice in the evening air, floating through the pine and oak. And every old highway cutting through these hills carries stories nobody wrote. Tracks run toward the eastern hills and the future road on by. Still the porch lights burn in Quitman town underneath these Arkansas skies. Some places rise like a thunderstorm, some just fade slow and soft. But you can still hear the ghosts sing low in the town the tracks forgot. The road keeps rolling towards somewhere else, past the fields and weathered lots. But the night still holds those chapel songs in the town the tracks forgot.
And that was The Town the Tracks Forgot, wrapping up our playlist for this trip.
We are just about to hit the intersection with Arkansas Highway 25 in Quitman, and that is where our drive comes to a close.
If you love these scenic routes and want to help fund our future drives, please look into Real Roads Plus, our membership support program.
It helps keep the cameras rolling, Thanks for riding along with us today. We'll catch you on the next open road.